found the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs 2 and 3 to be the square root of 13. Corey claims that since the square root of 13 is 3.61 when estimating to 2 digits, that a triangle with those lengths of the legs has a hypotenuse of 3.61. Is he correct? So what he's saying is, since this is 3.61 when we round it, can we say that the hypotenuse is 3.61? 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, which is where we get that 13 from. But when you do 3.61 squared, you get 13.0321. And that is not the same as 13. It's close, but it is not equal. He should have said this is approximately 3.61, but they are not the same. What happens is he gets round off error. So we're going to say, no, the triangle does not have a hypotenuse of 3.61 because that does not or doesn't form a right triangle. Both sides have to be equal in order for it to create a right triangle, but his rounding doesn't work. That should have a comma there.